start off with, I went into this rose one stroke on a 1/2 inch flat brush and I painted 5 petals in a circle, and then for the inner bit you paint like a half semicircle, like a U shape, and then an inverted one, and then you drag the petals inwards to create the white edges. Painted some mini roses around the sides, and I did this by just painting one petal and then an inverted petal underneath. Then went into this ridiculously autumn coloured split cake and I painted on these autumn leaves around the edges of the design. The light jagged leaf effect, as I'm dragging the brush along, I'm just kind of shaking it, and that's how you get these jagged edges. I then started to paint a spider web on top of the forehead and around the edges, and to be honest I think I painted too many lines. Like if I was to go back and do this I'd just paint a lot less, and then I just joined them up like the classic spider web design. I also painted a little basic spider just next to my eye sitting on the rose, and I did one on the other side as well. Painted a few of my dodgy shaped bats onto the design. I really need to get a stencil. And then I went into a white face paint and I highlighted the spider's web. Using the white paint again, I went along the leaves and I just added some veins, so I just painted really fine lines coming off a central line. I then went into a 3/4 inch angled brush and I decided to take the design onto my chest area as well, so I just used all the same techniques on the chest area. A little tip I have for doing one stroke roses: once you've painted the 5 petals around the edge, it's better to let it dry before you paint on the bit in the middle, because then the colours are more bright. So I just wanted to say that my intention when I did this face paint, it was meant to be like a 2-minute just like around one eye roses and leaves design, and it just got out of hand, so I'm sorry about that. As you can see, then I've turned the brush the other way and I'm doing some leaves with the yellow colour on the outside as well, just to mix it up a bit. I then went into this neon one stroke on a round sponge, and I wanted to create this little spider, so I just sponged on the colours and then painted the spider around the edges. Sorry about the filming, obviously I didn't realise you couldn't see what I was doing, and also I'm not an expert on painting spiders, so it's not the best. Popped in these baby pink lenses. I'm obsessed. They're from Lenses Colour Official. I will link that down below. I'm really impressed with them. They were super comfortable, they didn't hurt my eyes at all, and they are the best colour. Then put this super pretty lime crime liquid lipstick on in the colour Pumpkin, but then I put a bit of gloss on top so it's not too matte. I also added some eyelashes, and then surprise surprise I added a bit of glitter to the design. So this is the gold one from Eco Stardust. I'll link that down below as well, and I just put that around the design. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you are looking for like really simple face painting designs, you could literally just do this around one eye, which is what I intended to do, but I got carried away. I'll leave a link to all the products I've used down below. I love these roses and leaves together. I think I'm going to do like a sugar skull with them, with like a similar design, because I love them. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.